Hi there. In a second, I'll show you where this fence is gonna go. But for now, I need to cut these, get them out of the front yard. But our first shipment is some steel, 24 foot long. It's gonna be the frame for this fence. And it is 1/8 inch thick, 2-inch pipe. Before I get going, I kind of wanted to explain what I'm doing, which is a privacy fence. Obviously there's a privacy fence here, but when I was doing the pool, I built a retaining wall right there. So this level is a lot higher than what the ground initially was. So I wanted to do another fence on top. I did get this 7 foot 2x4 right here, just to kind of eye out how tall it's gonna be. We're going a little over 7. This is 7 foot right here, but we're gonna go a little over 7 foot, which I think will be the perfect height. This is gonna be about 22 feet long. So it goes from those bushes there and then pretty much to that juniper right there. So I will be bolting the vertical post into the concrete, which you can see here, very thick slab. I'm also gonna screw it into the wood here. We'll have 2 in the middle at 8 foot. The last one will be right there. One other thing I forgot to mention is this pipe right here is a return. It is connected to this pool and all the pipes right here. So eventually this is going to be a waterfall coming off of the 7 foot boom. Here I am editing, and I just noticed there's a lot of footage missing. I think it's somewhere on an SD card, but I just cannot find it. So the thing that I missed was the horizontal piece that sits on top, the piece of metal. My friend Maury came by and welded that. The wood I'm using is kumru, and if you ever see me use that container, that's a sealer for hardwood. Every cut I make, I will seal it with that. And to start this, I'm using a 1x6. I think it's actually 7/8 thick. picked the board length, I went ahead and cut everything up so they were ready to go. And then another thing I did was I found the perfect measurement for where the screw holes would be, and I used my speed square and marked out the exact placement, just so every board was the exact same and it looked perfect. As far as the spacing on the boards, I had some nails that were a 16-inch thick, and so I just used that on the right, left, and middle of the board when I was attaching them, just to get that perfect gap in between each board. So I actually didn't keep filming after this. I guess I finished right then and then just stopped filming. But it is a year later now. It's been sitting on my hard drive, and I wanted to just get it up on YouTube before I deleted the footage off my hard drive. Yeah, I kind of did a bad job documenting this, but hopefully you enjoyed the video. And I couldn't find too many videos like this on YouTube, especially with hardwood like Kummeru. I'm filming a few other things right now, so hopefully I'll get better about making videos of projects. Regardless, it's fun for documenting and looking back in the future. All right, take care, guys. Thanks. Bye.